Sounds like they came back. Thought they exploded last time. Oh, wait, wrong movie. Oh, hey gang. Welcome to another edition of Doc Schlock by Request, where it's a review of the movie The Birds 2: Land's End. And this request comes to us from fellow YouTuber ROMSreviews with LorenG. Ugh. Well, as you may have guessed, this movie, well, the only connection it has to the first one is birds attacking for no apparent reason. And when they attack, it sucks. This one is about a man, a war veteran, who, with his family, decides to move to, well, some sort of coastal island after the death of their son. And sometime after they get there, birds start attacking for no apparent reason. And they attack everybody. They attack a dog, they take down power lines, they attack fishermen, they attack bar owners, they attack everybody that they can. Again, for no apparent reason. At least these birds aren't one to really do much anything except just fly around. And I'm telling you, they start blowing stuff up. We're in trouble. Anyway, by the end of the movie, the family winds up surviving and the birds leave for no apparent reason. Just like them attacking for no apparent reason, they just say, forget it, we're leaving. Now, this movie obviously has nothing to do with anything of Alfred Hitchcock because, well, he was way dead when this movie happened, and the only cast member who returned for this movie was Tippi Hedren, who was in the first one. Now, why did this movie suck? Tell you the truth, I think I'd rather swallow bird poop than watch this movie again. This movie was terribly god-awful. And again, it's living proof that if you see a movie where it says it's directed by Alan Smithee, which actually was directed by Rick Rosenthal, but even he was so ashamed of this movie, he wanted it to try and be said it was directed by Alan Smithee. When you see something like that, you know you're not in for a good movie at all. And yeah, they've put Alan Smithee's name on a lot of movies that they knew were bad, and this one was bad. Oh man, I mean, whereas the first one was a terrifying classic, this one was just, it just made no sense, and the killings in it were stupid. You know, and even Tippi Hedren admitted that she regretted being in this movie. Oh, man. I mean, it's just really, really, really bad. I mean, this movie premiered on Showtime years ago, and I remember watching it, and just my jaw dropped at how awful and bad this movie really, really was. And I hate to say this, I think this is the movie that inspired that Birdemic movie. So what could have made this better would be, yeah, if the birds hit something, they blew up. I mean, that could have made it a little bit of a better movie, but yeah. I mean, seriously, if you're going to try and make a sequel to a great classic movie, don't wait around 30 or so years till after the first one comes out and the first one is widely popular. Of course, a lot of people said the first one had no ending, but, well, if you watch an interview with Tippi Hedren, she actually explains the movie had an ending. It's just the ones that survived drove off into the sunset and everything was fine. So there you guys go. This one had an ending, and it sucked. In fact, this whole movie sucked. To ever see it again, I would rather just let all these birds peck my eyes out. That would probably be more fun and less torturous than watching this piece of crap. So, special thanks to ROMSreviews with LorenG for his request. Please go check out his channel and subscribe to him as well, and check out his videos too. And if you like my videos, feel free to subscribe. If you have a horror, sci-fi horror, comedy horror, or fantasy horror movie that seemed like it flew the coop, send it my way, and I'll get on it ASAP. Thank you guys so very, very much for watching. And until next time, for Doc Schlock, by request, as always, stay strong and rock on. Oh, man. The mess those birds left behind. I'm going to take a lot of work to clean up that yard.